Hi, Luke here with Silvercrest Automotive. I wanted to take the opportunity to show you a 2025 Dodge Grand Caravan that we have the VMI Northstar full floor side entry conversion installed into. This is an in-floor power ramp. Let's have a look. So I'll press and hold the door open button. Now that the door's open, we'll press the remote activating ramp to come out. Once the ramp gets out, the vehicle will start kneeling. This reduces the ramp angle to make it easier for people who use a manual wheelchair to get in. There is a second way to activate the ramp if you don't have your remote on you. You will open the passenger door, and then there's a button right here, easy to reach. It'll go in or out. You'll see that the vehicle is actually rising, so it's unkneeling. Once it's at its rested spot, you can shut the door and drive away. So here's a third row. It has a footrest for the occupants. There's ambient lighting to see what's on the floor. Both front seats are removable. It has a console in the side for your cup holders. Do a quick walk around. That's the manual securement system. That's the tire inflators, the OEM book, and floor mats. That's the quick view of the Chrysler Grand Caravan VMI Northstar van. Close the door, it's a double push again.